Mayong buntag, kumusta? I hope you are doing fine. As this semester is about to end, it is expected that you are also about to finish your project implementation. In this lesson, we will discuss the project completion report. Question: why write completion report? Well, this sounds a rhetorical question, but we'll discuss why. The practice of project completion report finalizes all project activities completed across all phases of the project to formally complete the project and transfer the completed or canceled project as appropriate. The purpose of project completion report is to assess the project, ensure completion, and I think this is the most important, derive any lessons learned and best practices to be applied to future projects. As a college student, this is your opportunity to showcase your academic skills. The first part of your completion report should contain the following information: project title, duration, your name, contact details, and the date of your submission. Your report should contain two key important parts: project summary and project summary and project details. In the project summary, it contains the following key information. The first paragraph should describe the phenomenon or the problem. So discuss the current state, the gap, and the future condition. Give the goal of the project and describe the project. This information are found in your proposal. In the second paragraph, discuss the key successes. Describe who benefited and what are the impact of the project on the lives of your beneficiaries. In the third paragraph, you have to discuss the major obstacles or challenges and how you dealt with those challenges. Part 2 is the project details. We will discuss four key information: project purpose, accomplishments, challenges and lesson learned, and the sustainability of the project. We shall discuss each of these key areas. The purpose, um, we need the following information: describe the original purpose of your project. What did you intend to accomplish? What were the goals targeted in your original proposal? And then a second paragraph should contain the following information: how do the goals and objective of the project address agricultural, environmental, or educational issues? If you recall, these are the thematic areas that we identified as the start of this semester. What beneficiaries did your project affect or involve? Include information on the target beneficiaries, such as local residents, businesses if there is, and also include demographics of your beneficiaries. Second part is project accomplishment. In a technical term, I think this is the result and discussion if it is a research. So therefore, you have to present clearly what did you accomplish and how did you accomplish. The first part should contain the description of what you accomplished to this project. Present information by following the plan according to objective and according to tasks. Second part, how did you attain all of the goals and objectives? If not, what was this change reflected in your work plan? Third is that What were the specific outcomes and or project products as a result of your project? Provide actual quantities, number of items affected, produced, improved, or people affected by your project. In this third part, the project challenges and lesson learned, this entails careful reflection. Discuss this part in relation to your course. For example, if it is reading, so these are for education students, how does your reading project affect your goal to become teacher? In the same way, if you are having home gardening, how this project affect your goal to become an agriculturist? If you are doing some composting or developing certain machine, and how does it affect to your course if you are engineering student? There are two key parts in the project challenges and lesson learned. We need the following information. Part A, what were the most significant challenges or barriers? And more importantly, how did these challenges alter your plan or approach to implementing the project? Part B is the lesson learned. This covers both positive and negative lessons. What is important is that you're able to identify what went well, what would you do differently if you are to implement this again, and what are advices you can give to those who are doing the same or similar project in the future. Part 4 is project sustainability. There are two areas that you need to carefully examine. These are the following: future application. Do you plan to continue the project? How? What do you and or your beneficiary perceive to be the value of doing this project? How do you disseminate results of your project to a wider audience? Part B is healthy communities. Do you or your beneficiary see this project and related work that contributes to creation and maintenance of livable, healthy neighborhood? Were there any find or information gained that could contribute to addressing the thematic areas? So in project sustainability, future application, and healthy communities. In writing references, you have to use the APA format. As you can see in the slide, it contains the following information: authors, date, article title, um, journal title, volume, issue, pages, and DOI or digital object identifier. And lastly, for appendices, please include any material that represent or highlight your project accomplishment. Include documents such as photos, um, flyers, or meeting or attendance sheets. Tip in attaching photo to your appendix or appendices. I have seen some of the weekly evidences like this. The photo is stretched, and so this is distorted. I would like to advise you to use the sizing handle at the corner like this. Drag. You notice it resized proportionately with the original photo or image. I wish you good luck, and I wish you get the most of the information that you need to become better person to serve our community, your community. Thank you very much and good luck.